And so we've come to pick up the van, and the fridge is in, and it's a new fridge.
Brand new fridge, yay!
But the door opens the wrong way.
The door swings the wrong way.
So now,
and apparently, they've put in, I think, 3 of these brands before. But they've heard that when you go to reverse the door, the plastic things break, so you have to order new parts. So hopefully that doesn't happen to our fridge.
yeah, so now we're waiting to get it in. Not happy. And there he is, working away on the fridge.
You had to pull it out to switch it around, unfortunately.
Well, not happy. It's now 11 o'clock and we're still stuck here waiting for them to put the door the right way on the fridge, which they're struggling with. Not happy. Here's our new fridge, and it's all ready to go, and it actually opens on the correct side. So very happy with that. Oh, it's 11:30 and we're just heading off now. But at least it's hopefully all done right. Well, it was a lovely weekend, or a couple of days, wasn't exactly the weekend. Lovely Sunday and Monday, visiting friends. Just nice to see everybody again, and great night last night with Stuart and Yvette. Lots of laughs. The best bloody chicken schnitty anybody can make, Stuart does. And Yvette's potato bag, just, it was absolutely scrumptious. Nice hot tub, and yeah, lots of laughs. And some salted caramel whiskey to finish the night off.
We did, a nightcap.
Yes, that was really good. So we're heading home now. It's 12:30. We probably won't get home till about 6-ish because we need to stop in Tamworth for supplies. But we're glad we stayed and wasted the couple of hours and got the fridge done correctly.
Yeah.
Because it would have been a pain in the ass opening the wrong side. And the weather's beautiful.
And the wattle's in bloom.
Wattles in bloom. Yep. All's good with the world.
All is good. It's 22 degrees. It's reading on the...
Yeah, it's been beautiful weather, considering all the rain they've had here too.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, we're heading home, and we've got the old doll behind the wheel pulling the caravan, and we're just a little bit north of Musselbrook. It's just coming on to 1:30, so with a stop in Tamworth to do a bit of grocery shopping, we're probably looking around 6 o'clock maybe getting home.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, so, but it's all good. It's a lovely, beautiful day for traveling, as you can see. We're just commenting about how green and beautiful it is, but that's because they've had a tremendous amount of rain over the last number of weeks. The last probably 4 or 5 days has been nice and sunny, and hopefully that will continue for a little bit. Ahead in the distance you can see the hills, the mountains, and I believe that's the Great Dividing Range that we're going to be going up and over. Still, it's a beautiful, magic day. Beautiful soil. Look at that. Just been plowed. And the green. All this fencing would be tremendously expensive. Must be a horse stud coming up. Another spot up. Check out that mountain in the distance, that sheer face. That's pretty cool. Charna just passed a caravan, and I didn't get it on film, unfortunately, but that was pretty exciting. There's a painted thing for the railway. They're doing that a lot. They're painting up their little buildings and things, which is kind of nice. What are we coming into now? That's a strange name for a little town.
I know. The next ones I know. This one's I don't know.
Oh. Here's another horse stud. Oh, Emirates Park. You're there. Yep. Beautiful. Lots of dollars and lots of horse flesh. Just beautiful scenery, that's all. A little fixer-upper house. A bit overgrown with vine. And coming up is one of my favorite looking horse studs, or at least the grounds of the big building, the barn infrastructure. Few bucks to build that puppy. I think we're coming into Murrurundi. Quaint little town. I think we've stopped here before with our bushwalking group. I like the sign. Dog chasing the sheep. Life of Pie Bakery.
Clean rooms and comfy beds.
Yes. Back to the Pages River. We just crossed that. There's the old post office.
Can we stop there once for the toilets are open?
I think so. Over there. Literary Institute. Memorial Gate Bowling Club.
It's not United.
Beautiful hotel. Yeah. Another lovely old building. Telegraph. Oh, okay. All right. Are you dizzy now, you guys? So we're going up the steep hill to get to the Great Divide. Tona's got it in power mode. She's got it floored. And what speed are we doing?
80.
We're doing 80. But still not bad, towing a 2-ton trailer.
I didn't take a run at it.
No. Tony's doing okay. But we're getting near the top. Again, lots of wattle in bloom, which is beautiful. Oh, there we go. Into the valley. Here we are, just about at the top of the hill. Oh, I guess this is a rest area. Pull up. Well, here's just popped. And here we go.
The temperature outside is showing 21 degrees.
Doesn't feel like it. Nolan's Gap. Great Dividing Range. Bill's Tankers, look at that, Hilly! And down the other side. So now you have to keep the speed down. And you might even go with your shifter. Go down to third. I just did. This helps to keep the speed down a little bit. And this side is I think quite a bit longer, but not maybe quite as steep coming down here. And look at the green on that hill. Oh, that's just incredible. Now we're coming into Willow Tree, and it's a nice little town too. There's some beautiful old buildings, and there was a pop-up nursery on the other side of town, I think. If it's open, we'll stop. If we've got room to pull over, that's one thing as well. Look at the trees in bloom. They're beautiful. Very, very nice. And here we are coming into Barraba. So
Over here and change.
we're going to change drivers, but we're also looking to see if there's the nursery on the other side of town. Impressive sign. What? Sure. Right.